Okay. Sorry guys for getting late. जर ते इक्विपमेंट बरोबर जर तेवढे प्रोफेशनल स्किल्ड पर्सन्स अवेलेबल असतील तर इट इज पॉसिबल टू फाइंड आउट द लीकेज. Leak detection can be used to find the leaks in plumbing system, water lines and pipes, as well as swimming pools and gas lines. Detecting leaks quickly and efficiently requires the professionals and the right equipments. However, the kind of leak detection specialist or the leak detection equipments needed varies upon the type of leak, location, and severity of the case. Okay, I hope you have given the title leak detection, and we are learning about the leak detection. की exactly कुठून leakage. आता हे common explanation दिलेला आहे तुम्हाला, but specifically we are thinking about the water. There may be gas leakage, there may be some oil leakage or all these cases. But for water leakage we are studying. So you can see here how we can go for leak detection. What are the different leak detection methods? So the first method is by checking inlet and outlet flow. As just now I told you, water audit needs to be done at this spot where the distribution of water is being done, and at this point where water consumption is being done. So the discharge queue at this point and a discharge queue at this point can be considered, can be checked, cross-checked, and then you will understand what is the, if it is less than the required, then it will be. आता जरी multiple points असतील तुमच्याकडे, so as I have shown to you, earlier I have shown here, if it is the dead end system, multiple spots may be there, and from you might have done the complete analysis of this. Actually it is quite difficult to do for discharge at, कारण प्रत्येक वेळेला तिथे स्पॉट वाढत गेलेले लक्षात येत नाही. Still you can find out discharge, you can calculate mathematically the discharge as per the discharge provided at this spot, and what should be the discharge at this end, and accordingly if it is not getting the quantity, then you should know that there is a leakages, and accordingly you can start taking the corrective actions for control of the leakages. So that is nothing but by checking of inlet and outlet flow. Then by direct observation, आता इथं कुठेतरी दिसते की बाबा इथं पाणी लीकेज व्हायला लागले, that is also by direct observation. So these persons who are appointed to operate and maintain the system, water distribution system, they need to take rounds around the as per the GIS maps and should check whether the leakages are going on or not. मी आता जसं सांगितलं मगाशी की एक स्मॉल चिंगारी टाइपचं लिकेज असेल तर ते years together तसंच राहून जातं. तर तसं न राहता such people should take rounds and should take the corrective action to control such kinds of leakages. तर हे ठरवलं कशावरती जातं की ते सिव्हिरिटी होती. पाणीच आहे ना, जाऊ देत वाया गेलं तर ठीक आहे, सोडून द्या. If there is a oil, they will take immediate action and they will control that system. By using different equipments, also possible to find out the leakage. What are these equipments? What are the name of these equipments? First one is the acoustic pressure waves. Second one is the balancing methods. Then helium leak detection, sonic leak detector. These are the various equipments are also available to find out the leakages in a pipes. Okay, so these are very competent equipments to find out the leakage exact spot. There will not be a misguide, and hence it will save time, money, as well as excavation work, etc. We can go for. So you are requested to note down the leak detection methods, and then we'll go for the next. Please, I will explain how these equipments will work with the pictures I will show you. So please note down this. Or
yes, ma'am.
okay. Now we will see all these acoustic pressure waves, balancing method, helium leak detection, and sonic leak detection. Some of the equipment's pictures I have added into this slide. We will see these slides. You can look at this figure. Typical listening device, listening rods and ground microphones, which will help to find out where is the location of leakage. म्हणजे जेव्हा पाणी लिकेज होत असतं त्यावेळेस असा आवाज येत असतो आणि मग तो नॅचरली आपण बाकीच्या सगळ्या आवाजाबरोबर तो ऐकला तर कदाचित ऐकायला येत नाही. पण व्हेरी स्पेसिफिक ऐकायचं असेल तर यू कॅन गो फॉर अकॉस्टिक लिस्निंग डिव्हाइस. And this device or the microphones will help you to know what is the exact location. This will not misguide you. Okay. आणि तेवढा स्किल्ड पर्सन पण तिथे अवेलेबल असणं गरजेचं असते की तो लिकेज काढू शकतो. And that too it will become more easy when the GPS plan is ready. Okay. I hope you are understanding how the leakage can be checked. It will no need to go for understanding in detail, but how these such equipments for getting you familiar, I have added this such types of photos, pictures. Either you can insert rod into this system, means underground, किंवा काही वेळेला खाली एक्सकॅव्हेशन करून त्याच्यातून मल्टिपल पाईप्स पाठवलेले असतात. त्या पाईप मधली सुद्धा कोणती पाईप एक्झॅक्टली लिकेज झालेली आहे दॅट इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल टू फाइंड आउट विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दॅट रॉड. ओके. See here, the person is walking and finding exact details. इथं या स्पॉटला लिकेज होते. Leakage is at this spot. Okay, and it is creating waves because of that leakage. It may be a small one, but this equipment will help to know the exact location. Okay, and if we are not getting know the exact location, only this much part we need to go for excavation, and only this much pipe we need to replace. Then it will work as it is earlier it was working. पण जर अदरवाइज आपल्याकडे असे इक्विपमेंट्स नसतील तर आपण काय करतो की इथं कुठेतरी पाणी येते, बरोबर आहे का, आणि मग इथं उकरायला सुरुवात केली की काय करतो की तितकंच इकडं आणि तितकंच इकडं उकरायला सुरुवात करतो. इकडच्या बाजूचं एक्सकॅव्हेशन गेटिंग लॉस्ट and this much distance also getting lost, and the leakage is at this spot, so it is wasting a lot of time, money, energy, etc. etc. So to save that, better to go with such equipments to identify the leakage spots.